Hi, I'm Gina Clarke, and I'm the Malibu Seaside chef. I just want to teach you guys my very favorite drink. They say I'm a party girl, I guess I am. And this is my famous margarita. And guess what? Half the calories. That's exactly why I love it so much. That, and I don't get all the sugar and all the fat. So here we go. Basically, one technique with your limes before you start your margarita is you always got to roll out your lime like this. You've got to put a little pressure and roll it out, because this is how you get all the juice out of the lime. So I've rolled out these ones that are already cut, and I want to show you what you do. I always like my margarita shaken. It's such a difference when you don't shake it or you shake it. And shaken, it just mixes everything together perfect. So we're going to take 2 fresh, beautiful limes. We're going to squeeze them into our shaker, like so. And these ones are really juicy, you can see, because I've already rolled them out. So, now, there's so many different kinds of tequilas. I love añejo tequilas. Those are the gold tequilas. There's silver, there's blanco. Blanco is the most expensive. I love that as well, of course. And actually they say blanco because it's a white distilled tequila. It goes through your body better than any of the other tequilas. So I guess it's worth the money. So I put 2 fresh limes in my shaker. Now I'm going to take 2 shots of tequila because, like I said, I like to party. No, you need 2 shots because you're not filling this up with sweet and sour, and that's what they do at all the restaurants you go to. When you get a margarita, you're actually getting so much sugar you can't even believe it, and twice the calories. This drink is so low in calorie and so delicious. It's so much better for you. And then I'm going to take a half shot of Grand Marnier. Now, if you don't have Grand Marnier, you can always use Cointreau. I love Cointreau. Can't spell it. I love it. And I love salt. That's one of my favorite things. I've tried to cut back on it, but it makes the margarita so amazing. So now all I did was the lime, the tequila, and the Grand Marnier or the Cointreau. That's all you need. And then we give it a little shake. And now I'm going to take this lime right here, and I'm going to cut it, just a little slice of it, and just twirl it around my cup like so I can get it juicy. And then I'm going to dip it in my salt because I love salt. And you just give it a little twist. And then it's all perfect. Cucaracha margarita. Ah, so good. Come party with me. See you next time.